Do you want to become a content creator? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take in order to make a name for yourself in the industry and become very successful. Well, hey everyone, I'm Shirish, and if you're new to this channel, I'm a TEDx speaker, an ex-investment banker from the US, a computer engineer by degree, and an entrepreneur of multiple successful companies, helping students get into right career in colleges and helping everyone build their best life. Well, I'm exploring the world of content creation for over 2 years now. If there is one thing that I have learned over the years, is that there are specific steps that you need to take in order to become successful. In this video, I'm going to break down those steps for you and show you how you can achieve your goals. So sit back, relax, and let me teach you everything that I know. So let's roll this super interesting episode. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. First things first. Well, as we all know, content creators are people who create content for the internet. There are many different types of content creators, but the three most common are video creators, blogs or written content creators, and podcast or audio content creators. So basically, your content can be divided into three big categories, that is video, audio, or written content. Now, video creators make videos for sites like YouTube or Vimeo, like this one, like this video creation. Blog or written content creators write articles for their own sites or sites like Examiner, Huffington Post, Medium, etc. Podcast or audio content creators make shows for sites like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Okay, now let's talk about how content creators make money. Yeah, I know this is one question a lot of people they ask me, and especially the young generation. They want to know how to become content creators, but are not sure how to earn money or is there any money with that. And yes, many parents are also concerned about this as they know their child wants to create a YouTube channel, but they don't think it's a great career. But let me tell you something here. Content creation is a great career and has huge potential in the coming years. I'm telling you right now. And yes, you can make a lot of money from this career, but you need to work hard for it. And actually, that is true for almost any career or job for that matter. So, content creators can make money online by creating content that people want to consume. So these days, content creators have more options than ever when it comes to making money online, especially through the content. There are basically two simple ways to earn money through your content. Let me explain you that. Number one is using a platform that pays you money like YouTube or Google. Number two is selling your products or services. So let's look into both of these. So the first one is to select a platform that gives you money, like a YouTube. It's probably the best platform for content creators. So a platform that gives money to content creators as they get ad revenue on their platform. YouTube gets a lot of ads on its platform because of its content creators, and hence it gives out money. So basically share the revenue with the content creators. The same is true for blogs or podcasts. When you write blogs, you get money from Google as it shows ads on your blogs or website. Now, this is the easiest way to earn money using the native's platform payout options. Now, the second way to earn money through your content is slightly more complicated and needs you to be an expert. And it is by selling products or services or simply providing content for the subscription service. Now, overall, there's a lot of potential for content creators to earn a living or at least some extra cash by sharing their talents with the world. Of course, becoming a content creator is no easy task. It takes time, effort, and talent to produce quality content that people will actually want to consume. And that's the idea. They want to consume. But for those who are willing to put in the work, the rewards can be very lucrative indeed. Yeah. If you want to make it a career, then you need to invest between 1 year to 2 years in creating quality content, like one video per week for YouTube or 2 or 3 blogs or podcasts per week. If you can be consistent in producing content, you can earn anything between $500 to $1,000 within 1 to 2 years, which is a decent start to your career. And especially if you are in India, it is as good as any starting salary for that matter. Okay, now that you know there's a huge potential in this career and you can make a lot of money, let's look at the step-by-step process of becoming a content creator, especially from my experience and my learning over the last 2 years in content creation. The first thing you need to do is to decide on your content medium. Is it a blog, a video, or a podcast? Well, think about what you are good at. Is it writing or being on camera or just your voice? So you can do almost anything in content these days. So first is to consider your talents. Now, if you're unsure, take up a course on content creation. In fact, I get so many queries on how to become a content creator. I'm in the middle of creating a course on how to start your own YouTube channel. And if you're interested, fill out a no obligation interest form and be the first ones to know about my course launch. And everyone on my interest list will get a very special introductory price for this course. So if you're interested, you can go, no obligation. The next step after you decide on the medium of your content is to develop a style and voice that is unique to you. This means the type of content you want to create. So for example, I create video on career, university reviews, and personal development videos, which include mindset, productivity, health, and everything that has to do with better living or your best life. Now, I do this because I'm building my best life every single day. And I want to share my learnings and results so I can help more people to create an extraordinary life. A life with more time, freedom, and financial independence. That's what I define my life. Also, I love to look at the future and make videos on what careers will be good for the future and how you can make a great life in those career areas, along with university reviews. Since I've been working with a lot of students from the past 10 years on college admission, and I have great understanding about these world's top colleges, as I have visited most of these colleges and I know exactly how to get admission to these top universities. So my content is focused on people like students, parents, and in general for anyone who wants to build a great life for themselves. Now my content is educative and entertaining, along with a voice of compassion and empowerment. Like I want all of you to build your best life. Similarly, you must find your content style. Now, this could be gaming, sports related, health, singing, or anything else. Well, now that you have these two, next step is to create a website and social media accounts for your content. Now, this is important, especially if you're interested in blogging or podcasting. But I would say it is equally important if you're making video content on YouTube or other platforms. It is because the sooner you have your own website and social media accounts, the sooner you can build yourself as a brand, which is important. So like a lot of people are just creating content on platforms, but if you have your own website, you will have an edge for sure. And it will also safeguard you from platform changes, as it happened during the TikTok ban, where a lot of content creators lost everything overnight. But having a presence on other social channels and your website will safeguard you for sure. Now, the easiest way to build your website is to use amazing tools that I have used. And these are absolutely easy to be used by anyone. Well, you can create a website quickly using the Wix platform. That was the one that I used initially. And I have attached a link for your reference as well. It is a great platform to create amazing websites in a few hours with no coding required at all. So I would recommend using Wix. And once you create your website, use Bluehost to host your website. That is where my website is hosted. Again, as I've told you, my website is hosted on Bluehost and it has a ton of features that will make the whole process easy. The best thing about Bluehost that I liked is their support chat. Well, they are so quick and make it easy to troubleshoot your queries. You can use the link in the description box for Bluehost also. All right, after this is a big one. Invest in quality equipment. This is so very important. Now, if you're starting out, I understand you might have a budget constraint. But if you want to be successful as a content creator, you must invest in quality equipment. This is one thing that expedites your growth as content creator. I mean, don't compromise on this, since most people watch or listen to high quality content on the internet and would love to watch it again and again. Now, I have researched a lot in this area, a lot. And I have tried so many different gadgets during my 2 years journey of creating videos, from cameras to mics to lights to everything. And I have provided you with two of my lists from Amazon. One is the budget list that I used when I started making videos. And the other one is a premium gear, which I currently use to bring these amazing videos to you. And I use all these equipments in my premium list for you. Now, these are my affiliate links from Amazon, which means I do earn a commission if you purchase, and I use 50% of my commission money towards sponsoring education for children who can't afford to go to school. So yeah, making a purchase using these links will help more children get the education, and you'll be a part of something bigger if you purchase from these links. And remember, every penny counts, right? Now, again, there's no obligation to that. I'm just giving you information so that you can too become a great content creator. Well, after this comes a super important step. Produce high quality content on a consistent basis. Oh yes, this is so very important if you want to be successful. So I told you this before that anyone can be a content creator these days. With platforms like YouTube and Instagram, anyone with a smartphone can start sharing their content with the world. Yeah, I mean, anything with this phone, you can do anything. But just because anyone can be a content creator doesn't mean that everyone can be successful at it. So if you're thinking about making money online by sharing your content, you need to produce high quality content on a consistent basis. What's the word? Consistent. Your audience will only keep coming back if you know they can expect new, engaging content from you on a regular basis. You also need to be promoting your content across all channels, from social media to email marketing. If you want to make it as a content creator, you need to put in the work for sure. And if you're willing to hustle, the rewards can be well worth it. I can guarantee you that. Okay. Now again, I've dabbled in this and I used some amazing tools that keep me consistent with my content. The first one is Fiverr. Now, this is a platform where you can hire freelancers to do your work. So for instance, when I started making videos, I used Fiverr to hire a person who can create thumbnails for me or some social media posts for my content. I used Fiverr to get my channel art created and all other relevant work. It is truly a great platform. So you can use this platform and actually you can sell your services as well on this platform. So I'm sharing all these tools to help you expedite your journey. And well, I will create a separate video on how to make money on Fiverr. But for this video, you can use services from Fiverr and make sure your work is consistent. I have attached a link for you as well for that. Make sure it's consistent. Another great tool that I use on a regular basis is Envato Elements. It is truly one of the best things that happened to me on my content creation journey. Envato Elements is full of templates, from website templates to graphics such as stock videos, stock photos, license-free music, and everything. And I use Envato Elements on a daily basis to create my videos and even my blogs and all of the content material. So I would recommend you to use this and expedite your journey towards, becoming a content creator. And I'm sharing all these things again so that it expedites your journey, because I have wasted, whatever you say, a lot of time in finding out these tools. And using these tools, you can really expedite and be consistent with your content. Okay, now comes a super important step, and that is to develop specific skills. Yes. If you want to be successful in any field, you must learn specific skills. Now, of course, skills will depend on the type of content you want to create. But there are certain skills you will need for sure, like writing skills, video editing skills, digital marketing skills, and others. Now, I have done many online courses in the past 2 years. And for your benefit, I have attached a list of these courses to help you build the skills required to be a successful content creator. And these are from very prestigious universities or organizations. So yeah, feel free to take these courses online and build your skills to become a successful content creator. Also, in my experience, you must learn video editing skills. Oh my God, it is super important. Like, I used to edit my YouTube videos myself initially. And I used ScreenFlow software for Mac, which is an amazing video editing software without any prior knowledge of editing. It's the most simple software to use. So you too can use it, and you can find the link in the description box as well. And also for Windows, you can use Camtasia. And again, this is a link in the description box. Next, you must use tools to track your progress. This is so very critical. Most content creators make content, but they don't keep track of their progress. And if you truly want to have control over your content creation and want to make it big, you must track your progress. The most basic is Google Analytics, right? But then I found it too confusing myself. And hence I use something called VidIQ for YouTube. Again, a super cool tool to track everything for your YouTube channel. I use the Boost plan and it is really very impressive. Also use SEMrush for my blogs and SEO optimization. It is the best tool in the market. It is slightly expensive, so if you have money, I would absolutely recommend using SEMrush, as it's worth every penny. If you can't spend this much, use Google Trends and Analytics. I would recommend these tools as it has simplified my content ideation and tracking process. So it is super important that if you want to use it, you can use it. Now comes a very important point, and that is to be patient. Yes. Well, you must understand that it takes time to build an audience. and you have to invest your time in creating high quality content and then wait. It's not just a few days. It could be months or even a year or year and a half to see your audience grow and content giving you monetary returns. I know this could be scary. And I remember when I started, I thought it would do it in a weeks. Yeah. But then it took me a little over a year to see results from my YouTube channel in terms of monetization. So the key here is to be patient and keep creating top quality content. All I did is to create one video per week, every week for a year to come to the monetization level. And yes, you must stay motivated by setting goals for yourself. This is again super important. Most people are attracted to being a content creator, but they don't realize that people who actually make it big in this area are very determined to make it happen. And they keep themselves motivated even when they don't see immediate results. They stick to the plan of creating content for at least 1 year minimum and stay focused on delivering top value to their audience. You have to do this if you want to be successful as content creator. Absolutely must. And surely my personal advice is don't be afraid to experiment. Yes. This is by far the most important step in the process. Well, you won't stumble upon your perfect content in the first week or the first month. You need to keep experimenting and tracking what works for you and your audience. Like I've tried dozens of things before I found out what works for me. You must be able to change your content ideas and the new things and you will see everything will work. Well, you must be able to change your content ideas and try new things to see what works. This is very, very important for you guys to be successful in content creation. The key to becoming a successful content creator is to be fearless when it comes to trying new things. Yes. Whether it means trying out new content formats or experiment with different marketing strategies, editing, content creation, anything, content creators who are willing to take risks are more likely to find success than who wants to play it safe. So if you want to make money online as a content creator and make it as a career, don't be afraid to experiment. It's absolutely important. We have all done it. And we have all learned from our mistakes. And you too will do the same. And content creator is one of the best ways to make money online these days. Content creators can make a full-time income from their content. And many content creators make a very good living from their content. Now, content creators can also make a lot of money from their content by selling products or services. In fact, some content creators make so much money from their content that they can quit their day jobs and live off their content incomes alone. And the best part is that anyone can become the next big content creator with enough hard work and dedication for sure. So, are you interested in content creation? Well, stay tuned because I have some great videos coming your way on content creation. I'll show you how to become a content creator and make money online. So if you're looking to become a content creator, be sure to check out my other videos and my upcoming videos. You don't want to miss it because I'm going to take you to the journey of becoming a content creator on this show, on this channel. So make sure to like and subscribe and watch this video as your next video and stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. And also stay tuned for other great videos on career, college admission and personal development, living extraordinary, which I think is the most important aspect for success to keep growing yourself. I will see you very soon.